Namaste. Amisha Kushravavidya. Myself, Jane Dr. Priya Kabile, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jyoti Vidyapith, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal with on the topic of different Vedana procedures. Some of the topics I had explained previously. Next topic is Kshiradhuma. Kshiradhuma is a Nadi Sveda, which is a type of Ushma Sveda. The therapeutic efficacy of Nadi Sveda varies according to the Drava used. Kshiradhuma is a Snigdha Sveda. In Nadi Sveda, a tube of appropriate length attached to an apparatus containing Drava is used to direct the steam appropriately to the area which is to be sudated. In Kshiradhuma, steam is generated by boiling milk and Velamula or Dashamula or Vajakwada. It is mainly practiced in the management of Ardhida, Jihva Stamba, Anustamba, Swarabhanga. Materials required: chair 1, milk 500 ml 1, Bela Kwashaya 500 ml, oil for Abhyanga 50 ml, oil for Talam 10 ml, that is Navanidam or Bela Churna can also be used. Rasnadi Churna 5 grams, Nadi Sweta apparatus 1, pot covered with leaf, pressure cooker 2 to 3 liters, rubber tube 2 meters, go speed at the end of the mouth of the tube to avoid spilling. Lotus petal quantity sufficient, blanket 1, cotton towel 1, cloth for wrapping ice 1, attendant 2. Purva Karma, preparation of medicine, Bela Kashaya. 100 grams of crushed Belamula is boiled with 2 liters of water and 500 ml of milk and reduced to 500 ml. This is used to generate steam for the therapy. Preoperative procedure, that is in that preparation of patient. Patient should be seated in a chair and talam should be applied with suitable oil. Abhyanga should be done over the face, forehead, neck, shoulder and chest. The eyes should be covered with cotton cloth after placing lotus petals over both the eyelids. The head and neck portion is covered from the back with a blanket. Pradhana Karma. The patient should sit comfortably for the procedure. Then steam from the apparatus is directed over face, neck, chest and shoulder. Special care should be taken to avoid burns and to get uniform steam. The procedure should be continued up to the appearance of sweat. It is done for about 5 to 15 minutes. Intermittent opening of the mouth is to be done. Paschat Karma. Lotus petals are removed from the eyes and sweat is wiped off with a soft towel. Talam is to be removed and Rasnadi Churna should be applied. Kavalam or Gandusha should be done with proper medicine. The patient should take complete rest. Precautions: eyes should be tied to protect them from heat. Move the Picos Vedana apparatus frequently to avoid burns. Ideal time to perform the procedure is between 7 to 10 am and 4 to 6 pm. Complications and management: fainting, take appropriate measures, burns, apply Krida, preferably Shadasauda Krida. Next is Dhanyamla Dhara. It is a type of Kayaseka included under Drava Sveda. Dhanyamla is included under Santana Kalpana. It is used especially with Kafanubandha Vadarogas. Dhanyamla is a kanji preparation. In this, lukewarm Dhanyamla is poured all over the body. Charaga told Amla Dravya Seka indicated in Vada Kapha Pradhana Vada Rekta. Reference Charaga Chilisa 29 chapter 149 to 150th sloga. The procedure is same as spiritual. Instead of thaila, dhanyamla is used for pouring. Dhanyamla can be used for consecutive days. Fourth day, it should be changed with new one. Materials required: dhanyamla 6 liters, that is first day 2 liters, fourth day 2 liters and 7th day 2 liters. Vessels 4, soft towels 3, oil for talam 10 ml, oil for adhyanga 100 ml, Rasnadi Churna 5 grams, kernel or plastic mug with pointed tips 2, gauze 1, cotton earplugs 2, macias 2, attendant 1. Purva Karma. In that preparation of Dhanyamla, Dhanyamla is very beneficial in 18 types of Vadavikara. It should be prepared in a Mrit Patra during Shubha Muhurta, Shubha Nakshatra in Sugraha. To this Mrit Patra, 10 prasta of each Tandula, Pradat, Kulata and 40 prasta of Laja, Tandula of Adaga and Kangubija, 4 prasta, 2 prasta Nagara, 4 prasta Nimbu, 2 prasta Ajamodaga to be added and seal the Mrit Patra properly after adding Ushnodaga of 200 prasta to it. And it should be heated for 7 days continuously without any break. On 8th day, Dhanyamla can be taken from the Mridpatra and can be used for Avagaha and Seka or Dhara. Mridpatra to be refilled with adding Ushnodaka to it. Purva Karma continuation, that preparation of patient. Patient should sit on the dhroni. Talam should be kept on the head and Sarvanga Abhyanga should be done. Sometimes Abhyanga is not done according to the condition of the patient. Goes should be tied around the head above the eyebrows. Goes should be plugged on ears. The patient should be covered with a thin cloth below the neck. The procedure may also be practiced without covering the body. Pradhana Karma. One Dhanyamla is poured with kernels or musk by two attendants standing on either side of the dhroni. The temperature should be around 40 degrees Celsius. Dhana should be poured at a medium speed from the height of 6 to 12 centimeters. This is to be done in 7 positions mentioned in Kaya Sega. Can be done in hot or cold according to the condition. Paschat Karma. After Dhara, clean the body and head using soft towel. Earplugs and bows are removed and Rasnadi Churna is applied to the head. Rest is advised for 1 hour and then asked to take bath. Abhyangam before bath is optional. Duration 45 minutes should be done for 7 days. Preferably done in the morning time in moderate climate. For Avagaha, maximum duration is 6000 Matrakala, that is 31.67 minutes. Complications and management. Chills and rigors. It usually occurs due to uneven maintenance of the temperature of Dhanyamla or prolonged time gap between the changing up of fresh Dhanyamla, or if body is exposed to cold breeze immediately after the procedure. In this condition, body is covered with thick cloth or warm liquid for drinking, or hot fermentation should be given. It can be used as Dara in all kinds of Vata Vikara and the Vedana in the body. Next is Pilchil. Pilchil is the Snigdha Sveda in which the warmed oil is poured all over the body for stipulated period in a specific manner. It has the advantage of producing Snehana and Svedana simultaneously. It is a modified form of Parisheda Sveda and it comes under Drava Sveda. Indications of Sarvangadhara are Andarayama, Bahirayama, Pakshakhada, Vridrasi, Pangu, Padrakta, etc. Materials required: suitable oil 5 liters, cotton cloth 4, vessels for 5 liters 3, soft towels 2, oil for talam 10 ml, amalaki kalka 10 grams, Rasnadi chuna 5 grams, goose for hairband 1, earplugs 2, hot water bath 1, Gandharvastadi kashaya 90 ml, medicated water quantity sufficient, attendant 1, masseurs 2. Purva Karma. Patient should sit on the dhroni with extended legs with minimum clothes. Suitable oil and churnam. Talam is applied along with Karnapurana. Goes should be tied around the head above the eyebrows. Ears should be plugged with cotton and oil smeared all over the body. It is better to avoid pilchal during Grishma Ritu. In Paitiga condition, don't heat the oil. Times Time 7 to 11 a.m. or 4 to 6 p.m. In this, morning time is the ideal time for doing pilchil. Duration 45 minutes to 1 hour for 7, 14 and 21 days. Pathyas, easily digestible food is to be provided. Food materials which produce vidaha to be avoided. Pradhana Karma, the oil of sega should be heated in a vessel kept in a hot water bath. The temperature of the oil must be 42 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Dip the cloth in warm oil and squeeze it over the body in uniform speed and height by one hand and following by gentle massage with other hand. With height of 9 inches, that is 12 angula, and flow of the oil is smaller finger thickness. The process should be carried out in 7 positions up to 7 minutes in each position. Oil flowing out should be collected and used after reheating. It is desirable to use fresh oil daily, or we can use same oil for 3 days. This should be preserved after removing moisture. Small quantity of fresh oil should be added to this to maintain the quantity. On the first 4th day, fresh oil should be taken. It can be used for next 2 days. On the 7th day, both these batches of oil can be used. Kayasega can be done using kernel also. In this, oil should be filled in the kernel and poured on the body after checking the temperature by pouring on dose of the therapist's own hand. Modern equipment with auto temperature regulation is presently developing. Pastat karma. The oil is wiped off with the help of coconut leaves or tongue cleaners. Body should be cleaned with soft towel. Talam should be removed and appropriate chuna like raspberry is applied on the head. Gandharvastadi Kashaya should be given for drinking. Take rest for half an hour and advise to take bath with medicated warm water. Head bath can be done with Amalaki Kalka and body with air and aquada. Precautions. Temperature should be maintained at the same level throughout the procedure. Stream should be uniform and continuous. Blood urea should be noted before and after the procedure. Spiritual is not advisable if blood urea is high. Complications and management. Fainting, stop the procedure and treat accordingly. For fever also, stop the procedure and treat accordingly. Hypotension, giddiness, fatigue also treats accordingly. For burns, Chadadhaudagrita application. Patyacharas. Warm water should be used for all purpose. Hot, easily digestible vegetarian food should be taken. Physical exercises and mental tension is to be avoided. Do not engage in sex. Avoid daytime sleep and keep awake during night. Vega should not be suppressed. Do not expose to extreme cold, heat, wind, dust, smoke, and rain. Do not sit or stand for a long time. Extensive traveling should be avoided. Soft and medium pillow should be used. धारा और सेय का गुण धातूनां दृढ़तां करोति दृश्यतां देहाप्ति वर्ण ओजसां स्थैर्यं पार्थवमिन्द्रियस्य जलसो माद्यं चिरं जीवितम् असनां भग्नमपाकरोति नितरां दोषान् समीरदादितान् सर्वे स्नेहकृत सुघोष्ण सुभगा सर्वांग धारा निरां धाराकल्पा. Thank you. Assignment. Explain Dhara procedure in detail with its type and guna. Next question is, Sweda karma is contraindicated in first option Pradishaya, second Vadaroga, third Kushta, fourth one none. This asked for Hyderabad exam 1995. I hope you all understand my digital session on this topic. If you are having any query, please mention in the comment box below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.